In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the iconic MPC swing and quantize and how you can apply this feature directly to your beats. Let's dive straight in. Now in this tutorial, we're going to take a closer look of how quantize and swing works on MPC Studio so you can apply these techniques to your own beats and productions. So the first thing we're going to do is play this beat, which is unquantized. Now you can hear that there's parts of this beat that are out of time. Now if we go to our zoom button, hold this down, turn our data wheel, we can zoom into our notes and you can see how they are off the grid. Now what we can do is if we turn on our quantize button, this means that every time we now make a beat, it's always going to be in time and quantized as we're playing. Now if we press the quantize button, this will now synchronize all of our notes and pull them in time to our grid. So now when you hear the beat back, you can hear it's in perfect time. Now we can apply even more groove to our beat. If you hold down Shift and TC, press this twice, this will bring up MPC's iconic swing. You can dial in percentage, and once you've done this, press quantize, and you can now hear that iconic swing sound that's been applied to your beat. Now we can also move our notes off the grid, very similar to Jay Dilla. We turn off our TC quantize, and then we select the pad where our sample is. So we're going to select our snare, and now we're going to use the zoom button and the data wheel to zoom into our note, and now we can move the note back and forth on our grid. So let's bring our snare in early. Now let's apply the same technique to our hi-hat, and we're going to push our hi-hat back, again manipulating our timing. Now you can really hear now we got more of a neo soul vibe just by moving the snare and hi-hats back and forth. Now you can apply this technique to your own beats to create different types of timing. Now to learn more about MPC Studio, head over to the MPC Academy. See you next time.